and welcome to Evalink Tutorials. Together, we will enable and set up a new integration, the virtual email receiver, into your Evalink Talos account. Before you start, you will need a dedicated email address, like talos@sitasys.com. Your system administrator can help you to get the necessary credentials. An IMAP host, such as outlook.office365.com, an IMAP port, which is usually port 993, and a set of username and password. Once your email address is set up, you will need to add the integration into your Evalink Talos account. From your Evalink Talos dashboard, navigate to the menu Company and click on the tab Integrations. Search for Virtual Email Receiver and click on Add Integration. Now, let's configure the Virtual Email Receiver integration. Enter the IMAP host and port, the username and password provided by your administrator, and finally, select the IMAP folder that should be monitored by Evalink Talos. To finish the integration, click on Submit. The state should now change to Enabled. If not, you should double-check the credentials you entered in the previous step. Now, the next step is to enable and configure the virtual email receiver on your site so that you can allow the conversion of emails into alarms for a particular site. To add the virtual email receiver integration to a site, navigate to the menu Sites, pick the site to configure, click on the tab Integrations, and then click on Email Receiver. To enable the virtual email receiver, click on the button Enable Virtual Email Receiver. Evalink Talos provides a generated authentication token that you can use to filter your emails and avoid spam or email floods. Alternatively, a sender email address can be used to authenticate the incoming emails. In that case, only the provided email address is allowed to send email alarms to Evalink Talos. If you want to use this option, you have to configure text mappings to react differently to each email alarm, depending on keywords within the subject or the body text of the incoming email. For this tutorial, we will proceed with the first authorization option, which is easier to configure. As a verification step, you can use the provided example body to send an email which will trigger an alarm in Evalink Talos. To do this, you need to ensure that at least the token and the alarm code is included in the email body. Additionally, you can also enter the alarm zone and value, or geolocation coordinates, and other custom headers. And that's it! Evalink Talos is now configured to convert incoming emails to the provided email address into alarms.